you can get pretty complex with some of these circuit boards, and I'm going to pass it over to Kurt, and he's going to tell you more about how to use the breadboards in your circuit.
Hello, I am Kilo Kurt with the Kansas Energy Program, talking about circuits and breadboards today. So here we have one of our breadboards. We used this in our KidWind Instant Challenge last year. So teams had to build simple circuits to light up LED lights like we have here, just these little LED lights. So on our breadboard here, we have what I like to call our power rails. So that would be these top positive and negative rails up here on the top and on the bottom. So that's where we connect our battery or our power source. So from there, we can use our leads to connect to these other columns. So there's a wire underneath these columns that can carry that charge, so we can light up our LEDs. So yeah, that's basically what we have. We have our small LEDs, we have some simple resistors we'll include in there. And then if I can do it, we'll include a little switch as well, just a little button to turn the lights on and off. So let's get to building. Okay. So I'm going to connect my positive and negative leads from my battery. So I'm just going to put them on the same power rail, but you could put, you know, the positive at the top, negative at the bottom, or vice versa. You could use both of those power rails. I just like to use the one just to keep it simple for myself. And then I'll connect some leads. So I'll just go positive first and then negative. So these columns will run vertically like this, whereas the power rails will run side to side. So once I plug that battery in, it's going to carry that power all across those rails, so I can plug these leads in anywhere and then bring them to my columns where I connect my LED lights. So there we got my LED connected, if it will stay lit. And then let's just do a resistor off of that. So go over here. There we go. Let's go ahead. Let's see if we can light up another LED. Which one's positive? And there, we're a little low on power there, but you can see our yellow LED light up. Let's see if the red one gets any brighter. There we go. So the green one dimmed a little bit because we probably need to charge up these batteries, but there we have our red one and our green one if it wants to stay lit. There we go. So let's see if we can get our switch to work in this too. All right, so with our switch in there, we can turn our lights on and off. So that's our breadboard circuit. We have this available to borrow. We have lots of other things to include in this as well. We were just trying to keep it simple for this purpose, but let us know if you want to borrow it.
To reserve your circuit kit and access more lesson plans, don't forget to go to our website at kansasenergyprogram.org.